Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Once again, Charlene Patton down from Topeka with the Kansas Soybean Commission. Thanks so much for coming in again. We love having you here each month, and you always bring incredible recipes. And of course, it's summertime, and so you've brought some really great summertime recipes with you.
It's great to get kids in the kitchen, and we've done a dip this month. We did the smoothie last week.
Right.
This week, we're featuring a recipe that'll be fun to get kids in the kitchen to make too, and it is a winning recipe from last year's Kansas State Fair.
It is from the dessert division. This is first place, by the way, going to Denise Pounds in Hutchinson, Kansas for this easy peasy Dutch apple pie parfait. See, I like how these are going because I can make these.
That's right. Well, we made this apple mixture here. I'll show this. It uses the Honeycrisp apples, and you cook it on the stove just like you were making really an apple pie filling.
Right.
One of the tips I'll give is that her recipe called for this ingredient right here. What is that? Gel, ultra gel. I had trouble finding that in the grocery store. So if you can't find the ultra gel, which is a thickening, I have a tip down here to use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it with the water that's already in the recipe, because it calls for 1/4 cup of water and a lot of great spices in here. Mix that together and add it, and then it'll be your thickening. It just thickens it up. So in a parfait glass, this is kind of a fun thing to let kids then do. And you can see we have fun glasses over here. And then we have vanilla yogurt. And then you can find all kinds of great soy granolas. This happens to be one with called a vanilla almond. And then we're just going to repeat it. Does this look good?
It's looking great so far.
Oh, what a great summer dessert to have. We'll add a little bit more of that yogurt and then finish it with some more of the crunchy there. I think kids would love putting this together. And it makes a great summer dessert. You can see how pretty that looks, and a winning recipe.
It is a winning recipe and super easy to make. Like I said, getting kids in the kitchen during the summer keeps them busy, keeps them out of trouble, and sends them back to school with some unique ideas.
It does.
Some new skills as well.
And you know, as you say that, it's great to have them in the kitchen using math, reading recipes, organizing things. So yes, keeping them ready for school. That's
Absolutely.
Right.
And of course, if folks want to find this recipe, where can they go?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org, or they can call our 800 number, 877-KS-Soybean.
And of course, you'll find this on our website too at KOAMnewsnow.com. And we'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14 right after this.